Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new Ultra HDR video editing tutorial on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create a new project on CapCut and then I'm going to import my video. I'm going to use this video for example. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can add Ultra HDR video effect to your video. So you can select your video and then you're going to go to the video quality right here. And then you will see enhance quality. Choose this quality and you can choose Ultra HDR. Ultra HD, I mean. Okay. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Now it's still processing, guys. And you can monitor the process right here. And after that, we're going to apply HDR effect. But wait, I'm going to apply it after this Ultra HD has been applied to this video. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, it's done guys. And this is the result. And you can also add the HDR effect. You can go to the effect, select video effect, and then you can search HDR. Okay, and you can choose one of them. I'm going to choose, for example, this HDR. Okay, and wait, let me adjust it. I'm going to reduce the glow. Okay. Okay, and it will be like this, guys. But I think it's enough using this video enhancer feature. But yeah, if you want, you can add the HDR effect to your video. And you can also apply the 4K HDR. Okay, this one. And I'm going to reduce the glow. Okay, and also the soft light. Okay, done. And yeah, it will be like this. And it's up to you which one that you want to apply to your video. Okay guys, and that's all the Ultra HDR video editing tutorial on CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!